What if your legs were quietly losing their strength long before you noticed it? One day, getting up from a chair feels a bit harder. A month later, the stairs feel steeper. And soon, even walking across the room feels like effort. This isn't just normal aging. It's your body warning you long before a fall ever happens. According to the Mayo Clinic, gradual muscle loss, or sarcopenia, begins as early as your 40s, and most people don't realize it until it's already taken years of strength. I am Dr. David R. Collins. For over 25 years, I've helped older adults rebuild strength, balance, and confidence, and I've seen how fast things can turn around once you understand what's really happening inside your muscles. So today, let's walk through this step by step and uncover 6 simple foods that can quietly rebuild the power in your legs, right from your kitchen table. And stay with me until the end, because the number one food on this list is probably already in your fridge, but most people eat it the wrong way. Let's start with something simple, a food you probably already have in your kitchen, but may not realize how powerful it is for your legs. You know that tired feeling when you walk uphill or climb stairs, even if you haven't done much? That's not just getting older. It's your muscles running out of clean energy. And when that keeps happening, your legs slowly begin to lose power one step at a time. Sweet potatoes might look humble, but inside that bright orange color is an entire toolkit for your muscles. They're packed with complex carbohydrates, the kind your body burns slowly, not all at once. That means no sudden energy spikes, no afternoon crashes, just steady, reliable fuel that keeps your legs moving strong for hours. As we age, our muscles become less efficient at storing and using energy. That's why simple tasks like carrying groceries or getting up from a chair start to feel heavier than they used to. Sweet potatoes fix that naturally. Their nutrients help your muscles recharge the way they did years ago. Ignore this, and your muscles keep draining energy faster than they can replace it, leaving you tired and stiff even on quiet days. But add a few servings of sweet potatoes each week, and you can restore that lost stamina surprisingly fast. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that older adults who maintained steady glucose from complex carbs had 23% better leg endurance than those relying on refined sugars. That's because these carbs feed the muscle cells directly, giving them the strength to repair and contract efficiently. That's why many geriatric specialists, including those at Mayo Clinic, recommend complex carbs like sweet potato as part of daily energy maintenance for seniors. Think of it like this: each serving is a quiet energy deposit into your strength account. And over time, those small deposits add up to real independence, the kind that lets you climb stairs, garden, or play with your grandkids without pain or fatigue. Roast them, mash them, or add them to soups. They're gentle on digestion, support your gut, and even help reduce inflammation, another hidden thief of leg strength. It's not about eating a lot, just about eating them consistently. Now, energy is one part of the equation, but what about endurance, that all-day strength that keeps you going without burning out? That's where our next food comes in, a simple grain that quietly rebuilds stamina from the inside out. Now that we've fueled your muscles with steady energy from sweet potatoes, let's talk about something just as important: endurance. Because energy gets you started, but endurance keeps you going. If your legs start to feel heavy halfway through the day, or you find yourself needing to sit down more often than before, it's not laziness, it's a signal. Your body is running low on the kind of energy that lasts, and without it, every movement begins to feel harder than it should. Oats are one of the most underrated endurance foods for older adults. They give your muscles a steady release of glucose, that's the clean fuel your cells use for power. Unlike processed carbs that burn fast and crash your energy, oats keep your blood sugar stable for hours, allowing your muscles to stay active, steady, and strong all day. But there's more. Oats also contain plant-based protein, small but mighty. That protein quietly repairs the tiny muscle fibers that naturally break down with age. Each bowl you eat is like a mini restoration session for your legs, and if you've ever struggled with night cramps, stiffness, or that tight pulling feeling in your calves, the magnesium in oats helps prevent exactly that. It relaxes your muscles, improves oxygen flow, and helps them recover while you sleep. Without enough of these nutrients, your muscles work harder just to do the basics: walking, standing, climbing stairs. But once you start feeding them properly, they bounce back faster than most people expect. According to Harvard Health Publishing, magnesium and iron, both found in oats, play a direct role in muscle endurance and oxygen delivery. When those levels drop, fatigue sets in early. When they're restored, you move easier, breathe better, and recover quicker. That's why I often tell my patients, don't just think of oats as breakfast. Think of them as leg fuel. A warm bowl of oats in the morning, maybe with a handful of berries or a drizzle of honey, isn't just comfort food. It's endurance in a bowl, steady, nourishing, and simple enough to build into your routine for life. But energy and endurance alone aren't enough. Your muscles also need flexibility, the ability to move freely, without stiffness or pain. And for that, our next food might surprise you, a creamy, green powerhouse that fights cramps and keeps your joints supple. So far, we've talked about fueling and sustaining your leg muscles. Now, let's protect how they move, because energy means nothing if your joints feel stiff or every step feels tight. If you've ever stood up after sitting for a while and felt that dull ache or tight pull in your legs, you've already met one of the biggest culprits behind weakness: inflammation. It doesn't cause pain right away. It works quietly, day after day, wearing down your muscle fibers and joints until simple movement feels uncomfortable. That's where avocados come in. They're not just a healthy fat trend, they're one of the best anti-stiffness foods you can eat. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, the kind that calm inflammation and protect muscle tissue. They act almost like natural lubrication for your joints, helping you move more smoothly and comfortably. They're also packed with potassium, which your muscles need to contract properly. Low potassium is one of the most common causes of nighttime leg cramps, that sudden, painful tightening that wakes you up in the middle of the night. One avocado actually has more potassium than a banana, enough to help your muscles fire correctly and stay relaxed. And then there's vitamin E, an antioxidant that repairs microscopic wear and tear in muscle tissue. It's what helps your muscles recover faster and stay flexible as you age. If you let inflammation run unchecked, it slowly steals flexibility, making your legs feel heavier, tighter, and less stable over time. But once you add anti-inflammatory foods like avocado into your weekly meals, you can often feel the difference in just weeks: smoother steps, easier balance, and less soreness after daily activity. According to the Journal of Clinical Nutrition, diets rich in monounsaturated fats were linked to improved muscle performance and up to 35% lower inflammation markers in older adults. That's why I tell my patients, when you add avocado to your meals, you're not following a trend. You're giving your muscles and joints the nutrients they've been missing. Mash it on toast, blend it into a smoothie, or add a few slices to your salad. It doesn't matter how you eat it. What matters is consistency. A few servings a week can mean the difference between moving stiffly and moving freely. Now, while avocados keep your muscles flexible, there's another quiet threat you might not see: oxidative stress. It's the invisible aging process that weakens your muscles from the inside out, and nature has a sweet, colorful answer for it: berries. We've talked about energy, endurance, and flexibility, but there's another force quietly working against your muscles every single day: oxidative stress. It's invisible, but it's one of the biggest reasons your legs feel slower and weaker with age. You might notice it as stiffness that lingers longer than it used to, or soreness after light activity that takes days to fade. That's oxidative damage, tiny stress marks inside your muscles caused by free radicals. Left unchecked, it speeds up muscle aging, weakens strength, and dulls recovery. And that's where berries come in, one of nature's most powerful protectors. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, all packed with antioxidants that neutralize that damage before it spreads. Every handful you eat acts like a shield, protecting your leg muscles at the cellular level. But they don't stop there. Berries also calm chronic inflammation, the kind that makes joints ache and legs feel heavy. And because they're rich in vitamin C, they help your body produce collagen, the protein that keeps your tendons, muscles, and ligaments firm and elastic. In short, berries protect, repair, and rebuild all at once. Without these antioxidants, the wear and tear from everyday movement slowly outpaces your body's ability to heal. But with them, you're literally slowing down that internal clock, giving your muscles more time, more resilience, and more life. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who ate berries several times per week had better muscle strength, faster recovery, and improved mobility compared to those who didn't. Researchers believe it's because the anthocyanins, those deep red and blue pigments, reduce oxidative stress and boost blood flow to the muscles. That's why I often tell my patients a handful of berries a day can do more for your muscles than most supplements on the shelf. Add them to oatmeal, blend them into yogurt, or just enjoy them fresh. They're sweet, simple, and they don't just nourish your body, they protect your independence. Because strong legs don't just move you, they carry your freedom. And while berries protect your muscles from the inside, there's one food that actively rebuilds them, restoring strength and stability from the ground up. It's rich, flavorful, and as it turns out, one of your body's favorite repair tools: salmon. So far, we've talked about how to fuel, protect, and support your muscles. Now let's talk about rebuilding them, because real strength isn't just maintained, it's restored. Every time you stand, walk, or climb stairs, your legs carry your entire body weight. And as the years go by, your body's ability to repair those muscles slows down. That's why your legs might start to feel weaker or tire faster than they used to, even if your activity level hasn't changed. This is where salmon truly shines. It's one of the most complete foods for muscle recovery and rebuilding, packed with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, two nutrients your muscles depend on to stay strong and flexible. That protein gives your muscles the raw material they need to repair tiny tears after movement. And the omega-3s, they reduce inflammation not just in your joints, but inside your muscle tissue itself. Less inflammation means faster healing, smoother movement, and less soreness the next day. Omega-3s also improve circulation, keeping your blood vessels open and elastic so oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles efficiently. That's why people who eat salmon regularly often describe feeling lighter and more energized. It's not a placebo, it's better blood flow. If your diet lacks these healthy fats and proteins, your body starts to rebuild muscle more slowly. Over time, that means more weakness, more fatigue, and slower recovery. But with just 2 or 3 servings of salmon a week, your body gets exactly what it needs to repair and restore lost strength even after 60 or 70. According to Harvard Medical School, omega-3 fatty acids not only improve muscle synthesis in older adults, but also help preserve strength during periods of inactivity, a key factor in preventing frailty. That's why when my patients ask how to regain strength without drastic measures, I often say, start with salmon. Because sometimes the simplest change creates the most noticeable result. Grilled, baked, or even canned with olive oil and lemon, the form doesn't matter. What matters is consistency. Every serving helps your legs heal, recharge, and move with the kind of strength that keeps you independent. Now, protein from fish is powerful, but there's one food that completes the picture. A simple, everyday ingredient that helps your body build and coordinate muscle like nothing else. Let's talk about the unsung hero of strength: eggs. We've talked about foods that fuel, protect, and rebuild your muscles, but now let's finish with the foundation. Because when it comes to strength, few foods are as complete, affordable, and effective as the humble egg. Many people notice their legs feel slower or less steady as they age, and assume that's just what happens. But often, it's a quiet lack of the very building blocks your muscles depend on to stay strong. Without them, your legs can't rebuild no matter how well you eat or how much you move. Eggs are what I like to call muscle medicine in a shell. Each one is loaded with high-quality protein that contains all 9 essential amino acids, the exact materials your muscles need for repair and growth. When you eat eggs consistently, you're literally supplying your muscles with the blueprint to rebuild themselves. They're also one of the best natural sources of vitamin D, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in both muscle and bone strength. Low vitamin D levels are incredibly common in older adults and often show up as fatigue, weakness, or balance issues. Just 1 or 2 eggs a day can help restore that naturally. Inside each yolk, you'll also find choline, a compound that keeps your nerves and muscles communicating clearly. That means steadier steps, faster reflexes, and better control. It's what helps you stay coordinated and confident in your movements. When your body doesn't get enough of these key nutrients, muscle loss accelerates quietly. But when you start rebuilding with the right foundation: protein, vitamin D, and choline, you give your muscles the power to bounce back, no matter your age. According to research published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society, seniors who consumed higher quality protein sources like eggs maintained greater muscle mass, leg strength, and mobility than those who didn't. That's why I tell my patients, 1 or 2 eggs a day isn't just breakfast, it's strength training for your body. Scrambled, boiled, or mixed with vegetables, it doesn't matter how you prepare them. What matters is making them part of your rhythm. Because with every egg, you're giving your body the tools to stay balanced, capable, and independent. Now that we've explored all 6 strength-building foods, the question is, how do you combine them? Because when used together, their benefits multiply. Let's connect the dots and build your simple, weekly plan for lasting leg power. By now, you know the 6 key foods that rebuild and protect your legs, but here's the truth most people miss. It's not about eating them all every day, it's about how you combine them. A lot of people try one healthy food here, and there may be salmon on Sunday, berries once a week, but then wonder why they don't feel real changes. The problem isn't what they eat, it's the inconsistency. Your body builds strength through rhythm the same way exercise only works when it's repeated. Here's how to make these foods work together. Start your day with oats and berries: slow energy from oats, antioxidants from berries. That pairing fuels your muscles and protects them from damage all morning long. For lunch or dinner, salmon with avocado makes a perfect combo: clean protein plus healthy fats to reduce inflammation and improve circulation. If you prefer plant-based options, you can swap salmon for other omega-3 sources like chia seeds or flax and still get many of the same benefits. And a few times a week, add sweet potatoes on the side. They recharge your energy reserves and support steady movement throughout the day. Finally, don't forget the eggs. They're your foundation food. Think of them as your daily insurance policy for muscle strength. 1 or 2 a day keeps your recovery on track. Without consistency, progress stalls. You might feel good for a day, then slip back into fatigue. But once your body starts receiving these nutrients regularly, something changes. Your muscles begin to respond faster, your energy lasts longer, and daily movement feels easier again. Research from the American Journal of Nutrition calls this nutrient synergy. When certain foods are eaten together, their effects multiply. For example, vitamin C from berries helps your body absorb iron from oats, and healthy fats from avocado improve vitamin D absorption from eggs. That's nature's teamwork at work. That's why I tell my patients, don't think of this as a diet, think of it as a daily rhythm of care. Small, steady changes that rebuild your legs from the inside out. You don't need to overhaul your life. Start with one simple change. This week maybe oats with berries for breakfast, or salmon with avocado for dinner. Each meal is a quiet investment in strength, mobility, and independence. Now, let's bring it all together, because this isn't just about food. It's about what those choices mean for your future: confidence, movement, and the freedom to live life on your terms. If you've made it this far, I want you to pause for just a moment and think about what your body has done for you. Every step you've taken, every hill you've climbed, every small task that once felt effortless, your legs have carried you through it all. But the truth is, aging doesn't take that away, neglect does. The good news: you now know exactly how to protect, rebuild, and restore your strength, one meal and one day at a time. The foods we've talked about, sweet potatoes, oats, avocados, berries, salmon, and eggs, aren't just items on a list. They're tools. Each one supports a part of your body that wants to stay strong, mobile, and alive. And when you feed your muscles the right way, they respond. Even after 60, even after 70, your body is still capable of healing, growing, and surprising you. Yes, weakness and fatigue can creep in quietly, but just as easily, strength can return quietly, steadily, and powerfully. Every forkful of real food, every small walk, every stretch, it all adds up. I've seen patients in their late 70s regain stability they thought they'd lost forever, not through extreme workouts or supplements, but through consistency and nourishment. Because healing doesn't happen overnight, it happens daily. So tonight, take one small step. Maybe it's adding color to your plate: a handful of berries, a serving of salmon, a boiled egg before bed. Because each of those choices tells your body, I am still investing in you. And if this message resonated with you, don't just watch and forget. Subscribe, stay close, and let's keep rebuilding together. Because your strongest years aren't behind you, they're waiting just ahead. I am Dr. David R. Collins, and remember, strength isn't lost with age. It's rebuilt with care. One day, one meal, one small decision at a time.